Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about PPDB in Jakarta. Before that, let me introduce our group. My name is Ira Levina Anjani.
Dian Rahayu.
Fajar Afrian.
Saya Fani Aldawiyah.
In this PowerPoint, something you will know about this presentation is definition of PPDB, condition of PPDB, the effect, justification or advice, positive effect, and conclusion. PPDB is an acronym of Penerimaan Peserta Didik Baru, which is organized by the Ministry of Education and Culture, and has the aim of equalizing access and quality of education. The PPDB selection process uses an information center as a server or manager for the selection of new student. New student admission or PPDB with DKI Jakarta is a form of collaboration between the DKI official government and private school. PPDB aims to provide service for school-age children or graduates to enter higher education units in an orderly, directed, and quality manner. In PPDB, there are several paths, including the zoning path, the affirmation path, the transfer path for parental duties, and the achievement path. The next will explained by Dian Rahayu.
Condition of PPDB. The zoning land in PPDB Jakarta 2020 face the challenge of the characteristic of the Jakarta area, which is densely populated as vertical housing, and the distribution of school is uneven in a number of situations. Prospective studying was home are located in priority zone 3. School do not pass the zoning, but because the capacity of the target school is only sufficient for applicants who live in prioritas zone 1 and 2. For information, the zoning path in PPDB Jakarta 2022, zonasi prioritas zone on. In PP for information, the zoning part in PP. The first prioritas zone of the SMP and SMA. Zoning part in PPDB Jakarta 2022 is for CPBD while are domicile in the same RT as the school RT or in direct as priority zone 2. Discount priority zone of the SMP and SMA. Zoning path is for CPBD who are domicile in the RT around the school based on the mapping. Priority zone 3. Mansfield, the priority zone of the SMP and SMA zoning is for CPBD who are domicile in the sum or adjective to the school kelurahan.
Next, we'll explain by Fani Awadawiya. Fani, nyalain dulu mic-nya.
Positive in PPDB. Equitable quality education. Every nearby student must have access to continue to the nearest school. Quality improvement is seen from the result of the accreditation of the education unit. Eliminate the buoy bench system. This system is also claimed to be able to alleviate hereditary problems that are common in the world of education. The term by a bench after a course, especially in public schools under the auspices of the local government. Ration of teachers evenly. Teacher actions activities in area can be carried out according to the needs and mutual agreement, at least in certain zones or areas. There are schools with quality teachers supported by complete educational infrastructure and learning faculties. Negative in PPDB. Map coordinates not precious, given that this system prioritizes proximity to distance. In practice, the system utilizes the Google Map application. Guardianship manipulation. This system is allegedly giving birth to a new form, namely manipulation of family card so that children can enter superior schools. So it is hoped that this practice will not be repeated so that no more children will not get school. Vulnerable to oversapity. In the evaluation of the implementation of PPDB in the regions, it was found that it was difficult for the regional government to map the number of school children, so that in its application it was quite difficult to implement PPDB with a zoning route with a fairly large percentage.
Next, we'll explain by Fajar.
Suggestion at peace. The acceptance of new student PPDB must be programmed careful before the implementation process begins, so that the PPDB implementation process can run smoothly and in accordance with the expected goals. In addition, the government must always evaluate the mistakes that have been made from the previous year so that they do not happen again.
The PPDB conclusion. So the conclusion is that the Indonesian government should be able to improve the PPDB system again. The current system is not enough but needs to be improved because there are still many people who feel disadvantaged by the current system of PPDB. That's it for our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from group 3. We will explain about traffic jam. In here, we will introduce ourselves. Next. I am Fawas Januari Iksan, number 14.
My name is Farah Gita Safitri, number 13.
I am Keira Fania Princesa, number 16. My name is Lairi Ramadhani, absent 17.
The definition of topic we will explain by Keira.
The definition of traffic jam is a condition where the traffic flow that passes through the road exceeds the planned road capacity, resulting in a speed approaching 0 km/h, resulting in a long queue on a road that stops moving or moves very slowly.
Condition now will explain by me. Congestion conditions currently occur a lot in the capital city area because the movement of a vehicle occurs simultaneously and many trades use the sidewalk to sell. The effect of condition will explain by Laili.
The effect of condition traffic jam can have negative impact, including time loss due to low speed, energy wastage, increased air pollution, stress and fatigue, disrupt the smooth running of emergency vehicles soon as ambulance and pre-ignis in carrying out their duties.
Suggestion or advice will explain by me. Suggestion or advice. It is better to reduce congestion, especially in big cities. The government can apply that in the city center it is enforced to ride a penkal bicycle. This can reduce congestion in big cities. Positive effect will explain by Farah.
The community has become more orderly and disciplined with traffic jam that require them to wait for their turn to use the highway for their own safety.
Conclusion will explain by me. Conclusion. Thus, traffic jam is a serious issue in every big city that causes several problems for common people. It consumes so much of time and energy unnecessarily and hence the loss of the nation. Therefore, serious measures have to be taken by the authorities to control traffic and promote the use of public transport. Development of public transport network at economical rates is essential. Implementation of traffic safety rules by traffic police is a must. People should drive more sensibly and responsibly. Hence, we all can work in this way to solve the big threat of the current time. This is example of traffic jam. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are you from group
5 in here.
explain about flow. before the will introduction our member. My name is Naila Zaholi Berantoro in 29.
My name is Muhammad Alianto Prawiro in 20.
My name is Muhammad Ramdhanu.
Number 1, definition of the topic. As found by me. Definition of the topic. Flood is the submergence of line which in generally driven by water originating from the origin of the water around the line. The origin of the water is rivers, lakes, and seas. The bodily of causation be the origin of the water is apparently unstable. Flood occur because the origin of the water can no longer contain the amount of the water, but rainwater, melted snow, and heat so that the water overflows beyond the line of origin of the water. The overflowing water also cannot be absorbed by the surrounding land, so that the land becomes submerged very heavy rain, and in fairly long period is causing flooding, which in soil takes place around the world. 2. Creation now the explain Ramdhanu.
To detail now. Apa nih? The first pastor is the natural pastor. The factor is a choice that comes from nature is free. Nature produce heavy rain that continued to fall in and chosen the area of water absorption overflowed. So they water so no longer fall as a result. The water will spread to all directions and enter into residential areas. In addition, nature change also shows the contribution of the river as a result of recent erosion. It shows the sedimentation get into the river and reduce the capacity of the river.
Number 3, the effect of the condition. Explain the Alianto.
This is because flood water carries bacteria, parasite, and other unique object. As a result, humans can experience the following things, namely drowning, diarrhea, vomiting, hyperthermia, a drop in body temperature below 35 degrees Celsius, dengue fever, typhoid skin diseases, fever, and hepatitis.
Number 4, suggestion and other explained by me. Be aware of your polluted environment. 1. Do not litter. 2. Protect trees from being cut down. 3. Make an event about going green. Number 5. Positive effect. The expellent Ramdhanu.
TV events loading is spoiling Lation. Gue jom tadi. Sorry. Positive effects. The positive impacts of flooding is spoiling the soil around the Jerusalem because the fault brings sterile soil from upstream. Make people aware of improving salinity from make people to care for other.
Number 6. Conclusion. Expelled by Alianto.
Flood is an event of sinking of land which is usually due to an increase in the volume of water. Floods can occur due to excessive overflow of water in a place due to heavy rains, overflowing of river water, or rupture of river dams.
Thank you. Keep inclined and do not litter so that we avoid flooding. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.